1891, and it is a V nickel. You can barely see the V on there. Just as I was talking about quarters. Man, silver quarter. Okay, I'm back out on the dock again today. Don't see anything new off the bat, but it is raining. So that's probably why the dock is clear. Don't know if you can see the drops on the water or not. It's a very light rain at the moment. But we're gonna see what we can find. So, I got everything here and I got gloves today, so let's get back at her. First find is a hook and a lump of iron. Oh, we got 3 more hooks on the next cast. Okay, we got a magnet full of stuff this time. Let's see what we got here. Got a big hook, a washer. Oh, I forgot to put my dang gloves on already. A lump of metal and a hook. 2 jigs, 3 hooks, and a big hook. 2 more. We got a Bud Light bottle top and 3 hooks. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay, part to a lure, it's broken, and 3 hooks. Okay, I can see something on the end of it here. Ooh, Florida Gator bottle opener. That's pretty cool. Looks like it said something too. Assuming it doesn't work anymore. What else we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4 hooks and the Florida Gator thing. Two more hooks and a broken one and bits of rust. Got a brand new hook on that one and 2 broken ones and a bunch of rust from the pillars. Okay, I got quite of an array of stuff on this one. Let's lay it down and see what we got here. Okay, see, big hook with a swivel and 2 sinkers, treble hook, what was that to? Screw with a treble hook on it, 3 broken hooks up there, small ones, and 1 complete one. Set on the side. Some like jelly stuff. That was pretty cool. Okay, it's really starting to rain now, but I just got my first click of the day. I felt it. I could see something down there. Oh, it didn't come up. It's got a lizard though. Oh. I can get him. I'll get that lizard and then I'll try to get whatever else is down there. There's my lizard. It's a little puffed out. It was probably a lot smaller, just like all those worms are, but turned into a massive lizard. Well, I finally got it up, and it is a Maglite. That took a really long time to do. It's really hard to get it on there. I ended up snagging it right there and slowly drug it up. but I had to be very, very careful. I got it like right in here and just went as slow as I could up and got it. That took me 30 minutes to get this thing. That is a huge magnetite. HL14E. Definitely a flashlight. There's the button. Definitely does not work anymore. That thing is waterlogged as all hell. But very sweet. Loving that find for sure. A jig and 4 hooks and 1 broken one. A bunch on that one. And a little swivel. Or whatever you call it, I can't remember. Alright, here's a roundup of everything here. Bunch of hooks, bottle caps, fishing sinkers, swivels, washers, jigs, bottle opener, inflated lizard, and this monstrous mag light. So, had a pretty good hunt there. I don't know if that is a mag light brand. I'll have to look up that number, HL14E. I'll just pan over everything here.
Did you do that?
So, pretty cool hunt. And I'll be back out again.